Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can edit a chart object once it has been created if needed. You can click the chart object once to select it and set the focus of the application to the chart object. It will appear with a blue border around its perimeter so that you can tell when it is selected. You can click and drag the chart object around by its border to move it. You can also place your mouse pointer over any one of the small blue resizing squares on the border of the chart until you see the mouse pointer turn into a double pointed arrow. At that point, you can click and drag to change the size of the chart area. It's important to also notice that a chart is really a larger container for several independently selectable smaller objects. While you can make changes to the entire chart area, you can also click on the individual elements, such as the data series, the legend, and the labels within the chart after you've selected the entire chart area by simply clicking once again on the particular object that you want to select within the chart area. You will find that not only can you edit the properties of the entire chart, but you can also set the properties of the individual elements within the chart. To edit the chart object itself by using the Chart Expert after you have created it, just select the chart object and then choose Format and then the Chart Expert command from the menu bar. Now also note that you can simply right-click on a chart within the design view and then choose the Chart Expert command from the pop-up menu that appears. You can then step back through the tabs within the Chart Expert dialog box, changing the settings as needed in order to change the entire chart.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.